Hi, now we are going to work on double crochet. So I have finished one row of single crochet and one row of half double crochet. Now for the third row, I'm going to make a double crochet row. To make a double crochet, we'll make a chain 3 at the beginning. 1, 2, 3. To create the depth of the double crochet, turn the words around and then yarn over, insert our hook into the next stitch, pull out a yarn. So we have 3 loops on our hook, so we yarn over, pull out 2 loops at once. Now we have another 2 loops here, yarn over once again and then pull out 2 loops. Okay, so this is one double crochet. Let's repeat it. Yarn over, insert into the next stitch, pull out. We have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over the second time, pull through 2 loops. So we yarn over 2 times and that's make a double crochet. Once again, yarn over, insert our hook into the next stitch, pull out, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, let's work until the end of the row. Yarn over, pull out, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Into the last round, last stitch here is slightly tight. Okay, here it is. Okay, we have finished one round of double crochet. Okay, so you can see double crochet has a chain 3 height. Single crochet has a 2 chains height, while single crochet is only 1 chain height.